Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveyMonkey account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your SurveyMonkey account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add a contact into your SurveyMonkey anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people organically and maybe you want to put them into your SurveyMonkey list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveyMonkey account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my SurveyMonkey and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add just one contact into your SurveyMonkey, you're going to click up here onto your username. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click on contacts. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to go ahead and import multiple contacts through these methods. However, today we're just adding one. So you want to click right here on add single contact. Once you click there, you can go ahead and add that person in. So you do need to enter in their first name, their last name, their email address, and you can also add extra data if you want. So if you're gathering something like their address, maybe their birthday, things like that, you can add that into custom field. I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. And also you can choose to add them into your groups. So for me, I have a all contacts group, and then I also have a Chinese restaurant and a Mexican restaurant. So if you're handling different businesses in your SurveyMonkey, so for example, if you have a Chinese restaurant and you have a Mexican restaurant, you can separate those two groups. So let me go ahead and enter this in. Okay, so I entered in the required information. I'm going to click right here, add contacts. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we have added one single contact into our SurveyMonkey, and you can see it here on all contacts. And then also you can see it was added here into the specific group. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your SurveyMonkey, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.